Hey, did you know that each year over 700 real estate transactions take place right here in our beautiful hometown? Each month, I put together a brief and comprehensive report in just under 2 minutes to help you make better and informed home buying and selling decisions. Hi, I'm Alex Perez, real estate professional in Weston, Florida, and welcome to episode 74 of the original Weston Real Estate Market Update. And here's the real estate market activity for the period of February 1st through the 29th, 2024. 80 single-family homes entered the market and 31 units sold between $500,000 and $5.4 million with an average selling price per square foot of $459. 33 townhomes and condos arrived during this period and 16 units sold between $250,000 and $780,000 with an average selling price per square foot of $305. This week, the lowest priced property in the area is a one-bedroom condo priced at $289,000, and the highest priced home is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath estate sitting on 1.5 acres of land featuring 8,500 square foot of living space priced at $12.5 million. Inventory of homes increased by 113 units, or a marginal change from the previous year. Currently, we're at a 6-month supply of homes, and it's taking an average of 54 days for a property to sell in the area. And here's a breakdown of the number of homes that went into contract in February by zip code. In 33326, leading the pack, we have 51 units. In 33327, 40 units. And 33331, 12 units. And 33332, 15 units. And what's the takeaway this month? So, you know how everyone's been crossing their fingers for those interest rates to drop and make things more affordable? Well, it hasn't quite happened yet. Weston is still hanging out in the neutral market zone where buyers and sellers are pretty much on level ground, but hey, here's a silver lining. If you're on the market for a home, you might snag yourself a sweet deal, as around 64% of homes are going for less than the asking price, and only about 38% are snatched up within the first 30 days. If you're looking for guidance and considering selling or buying a home in Weston, I'd be honored to guide you through a better quality real estate experience. What can I do for you? Call or text me first, Alex Perez, at 754-244-9620. No drama, no attitude, just results. You can always find me on social channels with the hashtag AlexSellsWeston. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fantastic month of March.